But let's do a quick check with the corporate as well. The Mahindra Holidays stock has been on a tear. It's up almost 40% in just the last 3 months owing to easing restrictions, revenge travel, and the board recommending a 1:2 bonus issue. Revenge travel is real. You're seeing it all across the country. Kavinder Singh, the managing director and CEO at Mahindra Holidays and Resorts, joins us now. Mr. Singh, good morning. It's good to see a smile on your face after a long time. I mean, things are getting back to normalcy, I think, for all of us. But you tell us, how are the numbers looking? Are we back to pre-pandemic levels? And in terms of, bookings, occupancies, what has it been like so far?
I think we are indeed seeing revenge travel. Normally July is not a month where people holiday, but we are seeing trends where people in July are also holidaying, and in August, as I see it, I was just talking to my team. We are seeing almost our house full in almost all of our resorts, particularly during the weekends in August. By the way, we closed July with about 72% occupancy. 90% of our resorts are operational, 64 out of 70. So we are definitely looking at some good times ahead.
Okay, Mr. Singh, just stay on because, we have less than 60 seconds to go before we hit market opening.
We still have Mr. Kavinder Singh of Mahindra Holidays sitting by. He's waiting by patiently. Mr. Singh, thank you so much for waiting by. We had to just address the market opening. But coming back to you, you of course told us about how demand is picking up. If you can just give us some levels in terms of occupancies, and how are you bringing down costs further? Because that is in your hand at the end of the day. Demand isn't. So what are the other cost metrics that you can look at?
All right. So as I was mentioning to you earlier, that the occupancies are looking very good. July, we closed at 72%. August, weekends are full. We are looking ahead with lots of confidence in terms of occupancies. I think we will close this quarter with upwards of 75% occupancies. That's a good situation to be in. And the best part is that we have built the capability to ramp up and ramp down our operations because of the second wave. We learned how to ramp up, ramp down. And coming back to ramping up and ramping down, and connected with your question on costs, I think we have also learned to be able to deal with our cost structures in a manner that we are able to bring down if needed ever. And when we are ramping up, also we are not increasing our costs in line with the ramp up in operations. So costs are definitely in control. And we are looking forward towards the next few months, which are, as you know, the festive season is just about beginning. So we are looking at good times ahead.
Okay, Mr. Singh, we'll leave it there today. Unfortunately, run out of time today. Thanks a lot for joining us. That's Mahindra Holidays. I will thank Prakash as well on that note.